Today's menu is tempura. Please give me 10 minutes of your time to watch this. I know it's long, but I've always wanted to make a tempura video that shows everything and well explained. For better quality tempura, you can check out videos of Michelin star restaurants, if they have any, and if they can explain things better than I can. Yes, cut the vegetables into good sizes, not bad sizes. Kabocha is very hard in texture, so please be very careful and cut it into good sizes. Good size. Good size. Peel the skin off. The legs will come off too. Make a little slit on the back of the shrimp and take out the gut. Cut the tail of the shrimp a little bit so you could take out the water and dirt, which could lead to popping when deep frying. Make several cuts on the front and back of the shrimp and press to break the tendons. This way, the shrimp will not curl up so much when being deep fried. Please mix it well. Add water to make uransui, which means egg water. You want to mix it nice and well. Add wheat flour. This time, don't mix too much. The image is like you are drowning the flour in the egg water. Drowning flour. Let's do the mushroom. First, you powder the mushroom in wheat flour. Then dip it in doro. Then deep fry in good temperature. By the way, doro means mud. You can see the bottom part being thicker and heavier. When the bubbles become small, the water has evaporated from the crust and cooking is done. Let's do more vegetables. This is a very good angle. You can see everything, but not my underwear. You can see me scooping the mud. It's important that you scoop and get the mud onto the vegetables. Please clean the oil occasionally. And you get some tenkatsu, which goes into okonomiyaki and also as a topping for udon. Or sell them to your friends for half the price of what they find in Japanese grocery stores. Now the shrimp. You do the same exact things as what you did with the vegetables. Oh, it's curling a little bit. Still curling a little bit. But it's good enough. Tempura finished. The reason why you didn't want to mix the batter so much is to avoid glutens from forming. You don't want fluffy tempura, you want some crunch. This time, let's make the tempura batter without the egg. But the basic idea is exactly the same as before. Higher temperature leads to forming gluten, so use cold water. Mixing the batter vigorously leads to forming gluten, so please mix it gently. It looks like I need a bit more wheat flour, and I've also added some starch. The exact same cooking technique. They look quite the same too. Let's see if they taste any different. Just a little bit of salt. Oishii! The tempura part is finished. If you're not interested in desserts, please feel free to not watch this part. My mom used to make donuts after making tempura using leftover batter, so I decided to do the same for my kids. I've already added sugar to the batter, but let's add a little bit more. Tastier than ice cream, she says. Thank you very much for watching. work hard to make good ramen. Don't work hard to make good ramen.